Hello guys, I picked up this product today. This is Ring Floodlight Cam Plus. I purchased it for $139. It was on sale, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and installing this floodlight camera. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. When I opened the box, I got the same feeling as I get when I buy something from Apple. It is like when everything is perfect from the beginning. The package, the product itself, the materials the product is made of, design, everything is perfect, and also you can buy this product in two colors. So I decided to buy it in white, but you also have an option to buy it in black. Motion-activated LED floodlights offer up to 2000 lumens of light. On the back of the floodlight cam you have 3 wires and a nylon strap to make the installation easier. You will have a mounting plate and a box with a screwdriver, a user guide and a bag with hardware for installation, and a little sticker from a Ring. And let's start the installation, but first make sure to shut off power at the breaker. Remove an existing floodlight, or in my case I'm removing non-working floodlight camera. Select a set of screws from the bags marked A through F that fit your junction box to secure the metal mounting bracket. Attach the metal mounting bracket, but be sure to align the bracket so that the front text faces outwards. Take one of the screws from bag B or C for the center hole of the plastic mounting plate. If you're installing on a wall, like me, the up arrow should point up. Feed your power wires through the opening. Insert a screw into the center hole and tighten to secure. Loop the buckle at the end of the nylon strap over the hook on the mounting plate. To remove a plastic from a wire, I'm using utility knife. Now let's connect the wires. Connect a green wire to your ground wire. Connect 2 neutral white wires together. And connect 2 last black hot wires together. Tuck the power wires into the junction box. Take 2 of the hex cap nuts from the back J. Remove the reversible bit from the screwdriver. Align the 2 holes on the light fixture with the threaded posts on the plastic mounting plate. Use a handle of included screwdriver to tighten hex cap nuts. Rotate the camera into position like this, and rotate the lights. Remove the protective film. Install the Ring app if you don't have it already. To add device, click Smart Lighting, Security Cameras, and scan the QR code on your Ring product. Choose a location where you would like to set up your floodlight cam, hit Continue. Give your floodlight cam a name and hit Continue. Click I've removed the film, hit It's been installed, and have your Wi-Fi password ready. Click Continue and wait for the floodlight cam to enter setup mode. When the light on the bottom of your floodlight cam starts flashing, continue to the next step. Click the light is flashing Click the light is flashing again. When prompted, connect to the Ring Wi-Fi network. Click Got it. Click Join.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. And when finished, click Continue.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Just a moment.
And wait while your floodlight cam connected to your Wi-Fi network. Click Join.
Setup successful.
Okay, got it. There is a motion at your Rosita. That's probably me. Click Continue, Continue, Continue again, Continue again. If you wanna share this device, click Share this device or click Skip for now and answer the rest of the questions. When finished, click I'm done. Double tap on your floodlight cam and wait while device is updating its internal software. Congratulations guys, you just installed your floodlight cam. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.